Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your Chromebook is compatible and has room. First, free up at least 4 GB and update Chrome OS to the latest stable build. Then enable Linux Beta from Settings Advanced Developers. This creates a container where Python runs natively. Once done, open the terminal app. You'll use it immediately. Make sure the Linux container finishes installing before proceeding, because a tempting package installs too early causes errors. Now you'll install Python and the developer tools. In terminal run, sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade to sync packages. Next, install Python 3 and pip with sudo apt install Python 3 pip y. This gives you the interpreter and package manager. For isolated projects, install virtualenv with pip3 install virtualenv and create environments per project. If you want an IDE, install code editors like VS Code or Thani inside Linux. They connect directly to your Python environment for editing and debugging. Finish by confirming everything works. In terminal, run Python 3 version and pip3 version to verify installs. Create a quick file hello, py or run Python 3 cprint, hello from Python, to test execution. Once satisfied, use pip3 to install libraries you need and save requirements with pip3 freeze requirements. txd. If you hit permission or package errors, restart the Linux container, rerun sudo apt update, or remove conflicting packages and reinstall. That single restart often resolves leftover setup issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.